Independence Day celebrations organized by the Young Brew Association in Nezingpara, North Tripura. On August 15, 2024, the Young Brew Association (YBA) of the Nezingpara sub-region organized a grand Independence Day celebration in Nezingpara, North Tripura. The event was marked by vibrant performances, inspiring speeches, and a deep sense of national pride. Among the highlights of the program was a special performance by the students of Skandyapri Seventh-day Adventist English Medium School, who added color and enthusiasm to the festivities. The day began with the hoisting of the national flag by the chief guest, Mr. R. Lardon Liana, the in charge of Nezingpara settlement location.
Kang lampanda menai bru rau no toi theye toi dulie lama kaha toi nat malen ngau dai to se arumba ye tinio to su phaine rau nau lekha snumo no sap thaye sno nai nau nim kha bai nai ya bedu school kam ha me ya hingcho nai ya bo je ta on rau ha mo bo rau ne school se school best Rete school undangnya, oro je nrau ta os nung nai rau, nrau se, tu caro be thakang tu, kamu nrau se nai, arom ije nrau nung nai rau po, kau thaye, bo isle ang tre berke haba kame nai, are hien rau, kau thaye, nung le nai, pastor ni kau la nai, ake, mam phan kau phola nai, ogra zagra. Ikau pola nai, do tono, nrau cing nrau po respect rile nai, mam toi le nai, ba le nai ya, tu le nai ya, pe le nai ya, do to, nrau cing nrau wo hiau lai ye, kam kele khas kuma nai, bus kamu nrau officer to, uya hingga po sama ya, bus kamu MLA uya hingga po sama ya, bus kamu Montri, Minister yang ibu sama ya, orang buat yang rau tu, beri pot lah pot, South Thailand naik, akhir tahu tu yang ni teenage, ni bobo si kelas satu yo no, betul ke ni life care ni nau naik, beri kelas lama pun tu apa yang kalau sah ha, hingga naik, ang berke, ain zati bawa pandai baik, ain ni bawa pandai wo. Ang teman dora kam tamai nu ye sak tha ye nau tangai sin ke sini future le nau se nau se chunga sa tongo nau kasa kiye jati ba panda pora suna kele khapore thangai sin ke nau no chin bru jati no snam nai nau no chin bru jati no toi thenai ari ye ini nau no sai ma ta ri so ha ang la sunra no chang chumole nau le khapore mo Kau slide tres out tadi, tres out tadi tres runai, zatin bak panda scientist onai, zatin bak panda master onai, zatin bak panda toi tenai onai, zatin officer onai bak ye, nau ta on siyo, out tadi, out tadi senungke, nau kaham kiye pas ye, nang hanam, nau tong thau ma kiye oma thang nai ring ye, nau no, sai jung se.
The sight of the tricolor fluttering in the wind filled everyone with a profound sense of patriotism as the national anthem resonated through the gathering. In his address, Mr. Laldon Liana emphasized the importance of Independence Day and the need for the younger generation to appreciate the sacrifices made by the nation's freedom fighters. He also commended the Young Brew Association for their efforts in organizing the event, which brought the community together in a celebration of unity and freedom. As the future leaders of our nation, it is your responsibility to uphold the values of democracy, equality, and justice. Let this day remind us all of our duty to our country and to each other, he urged the audience. Following the chief guest speech, Mr. Vinlaliana, the head of Skandapuri Seventh-day Adventist English Medium School, took the stage.
Zoto Pongai Kaham, Inio Bodikie program, Zai Kenai, Chini Waibeni Sakawo, Kakjangmoni Saya Pakoirana. Boni program bawa, Jungno Tuite Tunai, Yapang Yarung Jio, Jungno Krokroye Tuite Tunai, O program mo Jungno chief guest, Kie Tung Penai, Chini, Atu Dongano, Arlan Donglianano, Bung, Tinibo program Paimon bawa, Bai Jungno, Kau Budikam, Marauke Jungno Saye, Satro Rong Bau Pandawa, Tre Biskan Bau Pandawa, Jungno Saknarim bawa, Kakjang Moni, Skang Kau Bayaman Kie, Yau Pa Bai Kie Tau Kakjang Moni, Yau Pa Koi Virana. Ke Tinio, Bodekia program, Jung Lale May Mawo, Kakjang Matong Pio, Kali de Role Tre Bislai, Nai Tau Nu Tau, Zagak Tote Rawo, Jungno Zaike Make, Jini Waibie de Unehab, de Ketini Hogra on the Kie. Tre Cabo Pinambi Jupio, Cabdecatinio, Raisamo, Taklaise, Chini, Naising Parawale, Bodekenema observe, Abdeke Palamo, Salem Tonkombaye, Tinio, Tre Biscang Part, Animaba, Arumbaya Tinio, Boro Treharao, Abdecatai Sadoi, Junote Tenairao, Abdeke Tinio, Borotung, Painaizo, Tono Katsamo Sawo, Cabdecatinio. Tay chini chief guest saha bo salle sadin umoni sal abdeke chini Mahatma Gandhi song abdeke 1857 round chiorai saye abdeke par ke pai mobile abdeke Subhash Chandra Bose song abdeke bo samungno tangye chini India raijo sadin umelman bau pandawa kie samung tangnai rong bau kie Tinio program Jungla Lemaim se Abdekie Tinio Brau se Tang Yang Singke Tini Bodeke Jungba Chaye India Raizoni Gan Ropa Jurcha Tongmaya Arimpo Brau Tongbawo Brau Chin Bau Pandawo India Raizon Bau Pandawo Samung Tangmon Bawase Bodeke Jung Tinio program Jungpola Ye Tongmayo Abdekie Chini Bau Pandawo Brau Sadino Anima Bro, samung tang moke bukti injingyo, British Han jingyo, purbe puke sairau, bocung zoto knawo, zoto sinai, satro rolena umapumas nungnai, abdike purbe puke sai, knai pui kau nai rauni, tolawase India raijo po matungmi, abono sisau nize sadin, abdike state ngmainman bau pandau kes juganai, abdike samung tang nai. Chini tang samo Mahatma Gandhi song abdeke trek bangma tongpayo tinio sapai mayang nai abdeke tinio chung bosadin umo salwo palau tinio tini chung satro ropo chung siane make o India raijo ni bau pandabai jati bongso ni bau pandawo chung po samung tan matongo tini bos satro mole tinio nau rungmo simole nau ni ho paitin mau pandaya Châu Mangya, Kabdeke Mampa, no palo anima, Zati Bongso, Abdeke palo ma Mangya, Tawoke, Jung Satro Rosianeke, Jung no Sadin Ketang no, Jung Snuanai, Jung Po, India Raizon Bau Pandawat Masamung Tang Mai, Abdeke Chini Bruzatin Bau Pandawat Masamung Tang Mai, Abono Jung, tinios no ni manang nai abdeket tawa chung zo to si tongo chini bru jati su bai kloing tongko snoan ma pono tres sau thenin manang ko abdekie ung tongmon bawo tini chung snungye tai chini hogra sadoi tre tang slai ka ham ke sau thaiye snungye jati no chung khosan manang nai chini bru jati tawo chung zo to si tong 1997 chio chung phaimo tiniot ma jora mai chini ha mai mole chung tang mai mo jora let ma 40 foot by 30 foot chosko wall by le chung le thang ya ko ba ye tiniot chung treharao zo to si anai le chini bis kang klau ma tong ko ba wo bo chini samung no tang son man bau pandale nau si ba ye tini treharao tini satro ro zo to nok chem chumule aidi chungpo India raizon bau pandawo samung tangna abdeke jati bongson bau pandawo samung tangna ye no bothe thene kie saimo hasikam nisna khachanga.
He expressed his pride in the students for their excellent performances and highlighted the role of education in shaping responsible citizens. Our students have shown today not just their talents, but also their understanding of what it means to be free. Education is the key to ensuring that the freedoms we celebrate today are preserved for future generations, he remarked. The students of Skandyapuri Seventh-day Adventist English Medium School delivered a series of performances, including patriotic songs, dances, and skits, which were warmly received by the audience. Their participation added a youthful energy to the celebration and reflected their deep appreciation for the country's history and values. The Independence Day event organized by the Young Brew Association in Nazingpara was a resounding success. It brought together the community in a spirit of patriotism and unity, while also providing a platform for the younger generation to express their love for the nation. The day was a true celebration of India's independence and the shared hope for a brighter future.